Let's continue to look at why organizations are adapting to Agile. If you look at the survey that is done by a company called Version 1, the survey gave these results. These are the reasons for adapting Agile as told by these respondents of the survey. We will not cover entire list of these reasons. Let's look at the top 4 key reasons here. The very first reason, where 74% of the respondents clearly mentioned, is accelerate software delivery. By using Agile methods, they said that accelerating software delivery is possible. Very second reason is enhancing the ability to manage changing priorities that do happen in our requirements. Third reason, 51% of the respondents mentioned, was increasing the productivity of the organization. Very fourth reason, which amounts to 50% of the respondents, said they are seeing this benefit, and this is the reason that they are adapting to Agile, is improve the business and IT alignment, where the business needs and the IT organizations, including software development, are very much aligned in the operations and the development together. Now let's look at the benefits of adapting to Agile according to these respondents from this survey. Ability to manage changing requirements. 69% of the respondents said key benefits of adapting to Agile is ability to manage changing priorities. Project visibility, 65%. Business and IT alignment, 64%. Team morale improvement, 64%. Of course, delivery speed, time to market, increased team productivity, project predictability, project risk reduction, software quality, and various other benefits of adapting to Agile also are listed as part of the list.